I'm gonna crack this egg into this bowl. Oh yeah. Okay, now I can take the shell and throw it away. I just woke up. I'm super tired right now. And now we're gonna make some breakfast. First is eggs. I already cracked one egg into the bowl, and now I need 2 more because I'm gonna have 3 eggs this morning. Okay, so I cracked the 3 eggs into the bowl, and something tragic happened, something really bad. I got a piece of the shell in there. No, I hate when this happens. It's so hard to get out. Yes. Now we have to mix this all up. We have to whisk it. This is called whisking, and these are the yolks of the egg. This is what the baby chick actually eats, and this is the white. So we have to mix the yolk with the white of the egg. We have to whisk it up. Okay, I just finished whisking it up. Now I'm gonna take some cheese. This is Mexican cheese, Mexican 4 cheese, so it's 4 different kinds of cheese. I'm gonna add it in. Always make sure to do lots and lots of cheese. Okay, so now we have tons of cheese in here, and we've gotta whisk it up again to mix the cheese with the egg. The next step is to put a pan on the stove. So I'm gonna go into one of these cabinets here and grab out this big old pan. I had to rinse the pan out with the water from the sink because someone forgot to clean it and it was just still really gross. Okay, now it's all clean. We can start the stove. This is the ignition. This is called the ignition for the stove. And I'm gonna turn it. And there we go, now we got a flame. So I'm gonna put it down to low, like medium low, and then put the pan over the fire. And now we have to leave it for a while until it's ready. We're also gonna be making some sausages and some toast. So this is a loaf of bread. It's gluten-free bread, so it has no wheat. And I can't have gluten, so I have to eat this bread. So I'm gonna take 2 slices of this and bring it over to the oven. Most people make toast in a toaster, but my family doesn't have a toaster, so we have to do it the old-fashioned way in the oven. So now those are in there. We can hit bake, and 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's good. So I'm gonna hit start. Now we have to wait until those are warm enough. I'm also gonna grab a tray from one of these drawers and put it in the oven to catch anything. If any crumbs fall off the bread, then they'll fall into this tray. So I'm gonna take the sheet of parchment paper and put it on the tray. Now if anything falls, it will just fall onto that sheet. Okay, now I'm also gonna take one of these sausages out and put it in the oven also, because this is probably the best way to cook a sausage. I need more space. I'm gonna push the bread back so that the sausage can sit right there. Perfect. It's like a little face, that's so weird. The pan is almost ready. It's starting to steam. You can see all the steam coming up. And so I'm gonna add some olive oil so that we can cook the eggs with something, because you always have to have something in the pan. You can't just cook the eggs by themselves or they'll stick. They'll be stuck on the pan for forever. So you always have to add something like olive oil or butter or something like that. So this is olive oil. It comes from olives. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in here. That may have been too much. I hope that wasn't too much. If you put too much olive oil in, then your eggs will literally just taste like olive oil, and it's disgusting. It's horrible. So I hope that that was not too much olive oil. Now I've got this spatula, and I'm gonna mix around the olive oil. I'm gonna spread it. So I just spread a thin layer around the entire pan. This is exactly how you want it. Okay, now it's steaming a lot. You can see all this steam coming up. So it's time to pour our mixture in here. This is a mixture of eggs and cheese, so it's time to put it in here. Oh yeah. You can hear it sizzling. That noise is called a sizzle. Okay, now I'm just breaking it up. I'm cutting it into pieces so that they're not these big chunks, and then making sure that it cooks all the way through. It's looking pretty good. Okay. I have to grab a bowl quick because it's gonna overcook. It's gonna cook too much. This is the perfect amount right now, so I have to scoop it out quickly. Now you always have to make sure to turn the stove off. Even though it looks really, really cool, and it would be cool to just leave that on, you gotta turn it off because you could cause a house fire and your entire house could burn down, and that would not be good. But look at this. These are some perfectly cooked eggs. That is what I'm talking about. This is how you do it. It's time to go and check on how everything is doing in the oven. It's at 314 degrees Fahrenheit now. That's pretty hot. And it still looks like a sad face. Nothing has changed. I think we gotta keep waiting. I might as well eat all of these eggs while I wait so they don't get too cold. Wait. No, this is not good. I forgot something very, very important. Salt. You have to have this in your eggs or it will not taste right at all. So I'm gonna pour some of this in there. Do you guys want to know something that people say all the time? A pinch of salt. When you add just a little bit of salt, it's called a pinch of salt. Because this is a pinch. It's like you're pinching something. So if you grab a pinch of salt, it's just like a little bit of salt. So you might be somewhere and someone says, do you want some salt? And you could say, yeah, just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Like that. Now I'm going to put this back in the spice section. These are different spices. That's pepper, honey. That's not really a spice. But there's some spices that goes in the spice section. Much better. So good. It's been a little bit. The oven is now fully heated at 350 degrees. So we can check. Oh, he's ready. Look. Whenever he switches from a sad face to a smiley face, that means that it's ready. So I'm gonna open this cabinet and grab a plate. And then in this drawer, we have tongs. These are really long tongs. So that I can grab this guy and both of these pieces of toast. If you don't do it fast enough, he might run away. Got him. Perfectly toasted. Now what we have to do is go over to the fridge to grab some butter. This is a stick of butter. So I got this, it's a butter knife. It's for spreading butter. And I'm gonna take a slice of this butter and spread it. I'm just gonna spread it over this guy, one of these eyes, one of these pieces of toast. That was too much butter. What have I done? And there we go, he is happy once again. We got the eggs here, perfectly cooked. The toast, the sausage, the smile. This is the smiley face, this is a smile. And this is a perfect meal. This is a meal of kings, of high quality. Time to enjoy. This is Maddox, my brother. Anything you have to say to the fans, Maddox? That was an amazing meal. I'm stuffed, I could not eat anymore. Now we have a giant mess to clean up. There's stuff all over the place. But you don't have to worry about that. You can enjoy this video here, and I will see you there.